First, if you have never accessed your SERS account, go to your school email and find the email from CTE Dual Credit. It will have a link for you to set up your password and security questions. Once that is done, log into your SERS account. Go to www.ctesers.org and select the student card. Your teacher has your username. Most students will use their 6-digit student ID number as their username. If you have had an account in the past, you will use that username and password. If you can't remember your username and/or password, use the link on the login page. You will now see two options in the upper left-hand part of the screen, Registration and View/Edit Profile. Start with the View/Edit Profile. Check to make sure the information on your student profile is correct. If you have a personal email, use that as your email, as your school email will disappear after you graduate. The other key information includes your name, birth date, address, phone number, and parent's name, and your high school graduation year. If there were any changes, make sure to click Save. Next, click on the registration at the upper left and select Register for Classes from the drop-down menu. On the Register screen, select Search. This will bring you to all SHS courses where you can earn dual college credit. Take a minute to scroll down to see all of the high school courses that have the opportunity to earn college credit. Notice that there are 2 pages, so click the number 2 at the bottom of the list to go to the next page. When you find a high school class you want to register for, click the box in the left-hand column. If the class is listed multiple times, be sure to select the class at the college you would like to attend. When you have selected your class, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the Register Classes. The next screen will verify your selection, and if more than one teacher has that class, you will need to select your teacher and click Save and Register. This takes you to the screen with your registration confirmation. It will show all courses you are now registered for, as well as the teacher, the college, and the grade needed to earn college credit. If you now click on the registration and select View History from the drop-down menu, you will see all dual credit classes you have taken in your high school career. You will also receive a confirmation email from the CTE Dual Credit. When you are done, you can log out using the button in the upper right-hand corner.